a miracle. You know, this hibiscus plant, for one plant there are two different colors of hibiscus flowers. One is biscuit color, the other one is red. Oh my god, it's a miracle. For the same plant, two different colors of hibiscus flowers. Wow. It's a wake up call for me. Good morning. Something wrong with my phone. My mom was saying maybe they are twins. One a boy, one a girl. I love you. I love you, baby. Wait, I'll show you the other side of the other flower, okay? This is the flower, other flower color. Wow. Cool. 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 I love you, baby. Cool. 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 Koyal, let's calling for Shiva. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Cool. 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 Oh my god, this is adorable. Adorable baby bird. I love you. Cool. 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 I love you, baby. I love you, sweetheart. I love you, sky. Cool. The plants in our house are actually, surprising me. This is a pink color hibiscus, which is come to a red color hibiscus plant. This is the second flower to a secondary which I'm seeing of a different color. We didn't do anything, they just came naturally. Look, this is pink. Baby flower in pink color. The rest of them are all red. Look, they're all red. I love you, baby. You're beautiful and stunning. I love you. I love you. It's a red color hibiscus flower which has come to this biscuit color hibiscus plant. Oh my god. Look. These are miracles. One plant having different colors of flowers without our intention, you know. It's new. It's from universe. I love you, baby. I love you. You're gorgeous. I love you. Forgot to tell you, you know, I went to this festival, right? So usually when you go to that 12 years goddess festival, they tend to give you a sari. I mean, they tend to give women sari, okay? So look what color sari they give me. And they wrote my name, Kala, there. Look at the color of the sari. It's red. Oh my god. Can you believe this? This is from Goddess. This is from Universe. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah. I was so surprised to see this actually. As if they know the color that I like, you know. I mean, they know, as if they know the color that belongs to me. It's beautiful. Beautiful red. I love you, sky. I love you, Goddess. Thank you for the sari. I came to my grandmother's house and she's wearing an elephant sari. Elephant sari, I love you. Mama, Mama, I love you. I love you. I love you. Elephant sari. Last time she wore triangle sari. Now she's wearing elephant sari. And look at my favorite plant tree. That's the skylight that I placed. And this is my favorite tree, Bilva Vriksha. Look at the skylight. I love you. Look at these leaves. This tree has 3 leaves. And this tree loves me. I love this tree. And look at this. She's growing mint in a bottle cap. It's a large bottle which they, slit, and they made this into a flower, a plant pot which has mint plants. I love you. I love you, sky. I love you, sky. I love you, silver tree. I love you, skyline. Update on the baby birds. I placed the baby birds in the blue basket, and I placed it on this ladder. Since morning, its mom and dad were actually, just guarding it. Can you see it? It's sitting on the branch. I don't know if you can see it on the video or not, but it is there. And it's been basically feeding the baby. I don't know what happened to 2 baby birds, but there is one baby bird which is in the basket. It's a blue basket. I covered with a kerchief, and the baby's mom and dad are always watching it.